Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are having a blessed day. Let's see what the cards are in store for you today. Summerlands. Usually this is the Fool card that we say in our tarot, but let's see what are the other cards that are coming. Okay, two cards have come out, so we will take out both the cards. Wow, that's a beautiful card. Nine of Water, the goddess Lakshmi herself. That's another amazing card. Seven of Water. So let's see what are the cards saying today. Be it the Summerlands, be it the Nine of Water, and be it the Seven of Water. But one thing I would like to say before we start, because the Mahalakshmi ji has come, do the Shri Suktam today. Offer her some fruits and sweets today in the evening. Hear the Shri Suktam. You get Shri Suktam easily in YouTube. Today, offer her a lotus if you can get, or some red colored flowers. And today the color of your dress is going to be red because she loves red. So let's take her blessings throughout the day today. Now let's see what is in store for us today. So now the Fool card or the Summerlands card. Basically something fresh you're going to start, something new you're going to start. This journey may be unknown to you. This journey may be, like you might have your own doubts that I have started, but will it be successful? Will I get what I desire? Will I be able to success in this venture? Will I earn profits? That's what the Nine of Water is saying. It is prosperity. So whatever you start today, be it materialistic, spiritualistic, personal life, professional life, it's going to bring in loads and loads of prosperity. It's going to give you amazing gifts and blessings. It is as if Mahalakshmi ji is going to bless you with whatever you touch today. She will give you all the blessings and make you happy that things are in your favor, and you can be rest assured that today whatever is the decision you take in terms of money, in terms of investments, it will give you good results. Again, if you see the Seven of Water, basically this card comes when you are still having your own doubts, but if you decide, if it is needed, then you just need to do what you want to do. Though in life we need balance, we need to work with things, because here the balance card is given. But okay, at times we just need to do what is right, and we need to just follow our heart. So overall today, follow your heart. Be the fool who doesn't know where the life is taking him, because definitely the life is taking him towards prosperity and happiness, and I'm sure you all will be happy the way your decisions will give you the results in future, and you will be super happy. So I've already said what mantra and what color. Just go with the flow, and I'm sure Goddess Mahalakshmi is there, right over there, blessing you from all sides. Have a beautiful and an abundant filled day today. Thank you.